Let's start this with a simple question. As you have already seen n number of videos to make money online, why are you still struggling to generate a full-time income? Of course, यहाँ पे दो factors हो सकते हैं. First, you didn't try hard enough. अगर आपने कोई वीडियो एडिटिंग, ग्राफिक डिजाइन या ड्रॉप शिपिंग का कोर्स खरीदा है and you didn't get results, the coach will always say that you didn't try hard enough. और सारी प्रॉब्लम यहीं से शुरू होती है. Now to understand this, let's take an example. Now I am a die-hard fan of MS Dhoni and I wanted to become a cricketer when I was 13 years old. अब इसके लिए मैंने एक अकेडमी ज्वाइन की and I practiced for 3 hours every day from the best coaches and cricket equipment. The problem was I had a medical condition in my eyes जिसकी वजह से I couldn't see the ball in sunny days or even during floodlights. So no matter how much I increased my endurance and stamina on the field, I couldn't succeed simply because I couldn't see the freaking ball when I went to bat or when I fielded. Now this brings me to my second point. The vehicle you took was the wrong one. Let's bring the same situation back. One day my mother sat with me and tried to explain कि मोनिश cricket मेरा strong point नहीं है. मेरा strong point है my ability to focus and learn and memorize things. Now basically saying that academics is my strong point and I am forever grateful to her for showing me the right direction and the right vehicle to success. Because the next day I left cricket, tough choice, but I had to do it, and over the years I secured a lot of Olympiad medals, taught my classes, cracked entrance examinations and a bunch of other things. Got the point? Kuch situations mein it doesn't matter how hard you try, you can't win because the odds are heavily stacked against you. So in this video we'll be working towards finding the right path जिससे आप एक sustainable, wealthy career बना पाओ. The caveat being, we'll not be talking about low income, commoditized skills like graphic design, video editing, blogging, drop shipping and basically the list goes on and on. Just to give you some context, I've applied all these 3 skills to myself to push myself to where I am today. The good thing for you is you can make yourself wealthy by learning one skill only. Now the first high income skill is actually my bread and butter. I have an advertising agency जहाँ पे मैं businesses की help करता हूँ to get high quality leads for their business. And I can bet on this, no agency owner or Indian freelancer can fathom the amounts that we charge from our clients. I'm saying this क्योंकि मैंने Instagram reels देखी हैं where these teenage girls are charging 15,000 while sitting in Starbucks, and you know what? It's funny to me because I charge close to ₹1,00,000 from Indian clients while sitting at home having a large bed in my background. अब मैं ये इसलिए कर पाता हूँ because I make sure that I am making money for my clients by filling their sales pipeline with high quality leads of clients who wish to work with them. और मैं उनके लिए high quality leads इसीलिए ला पाता हूँ because I don't get my hands dirty by posting reels for them. Instead, I do only 20% of the work that generates 80% of the profits for my clients, and I do it using paid ads. So the first high income skill that you need to learn is media buying. The only reason जिसकी वजह से media buyers like myself can sell their services for close to ₹1,00,000 while sitting in India is because हम likes और followers की जगह we give sustainable results to our clients. For example, I have a client who's from some remote town in Haryana and he's frustrated with marketing agencies because they couldn't get him leads of his area. Now, you know what? I come in and generate 24 quality leads from his town, and that's why I can charge high because I'm making him money rather directly, which nobody else could in the past. So learning paid ads, either Google ads या फिर Facebook ads, and actually mastering them is what you should focus on. How to do it? Well, you start off by learning the basics from YouTube's free courses. उसके बाद you get access to 3 specific ways in order to further master your skill. First is that you can get an internship as a media buyer from a platform like Wellfound or LinkedIn. Second, you can master advertising by selling your own courses, digital products, webinars, etc. etc. Or you can help someone in your circle who has a business and wants to get some extra leads and sales for his business. The third is you can sell your own services of media buying by choosing a niche, running paid ads to get get leads for your people who are interested in your services and sell your services at a price point of 10 to 15,000 if you don't have past case studies or past results for your clients. Now, I personally chose the first route where I got an internship, perfected my skill, and now I'm running my own business. The beauty of the second high income skill is that it doesn't require you to do much. I don't know if you know this, but lately market में एक बहुत बड़ा term trend कर रहा है, and that is high ticket. इसका क्रक्स ये है कि instead of selling your services, courses or mentorships on webinars or some WhatsApp workshops, you sell it on a one-on-one call and charge high amounts for it. अब यहाँ पे आती है एक major problem because one human technically can only take 4 or 5 of these strategy calls or sales calls in a day. To solve this, agencies, coaching businesses and even SaaS companies hire remote sales reps who can get on calls on behalf of the company, close the deal for the company and earn a minimum of 20% कमीशन. तो टेक्निकली आपको जूम कॉल्स पे जाना है, कॉल्स क्लोज करनी है and commissions earn करनी है. Now to do this you need to learn remote high ticket sales. Now how can you do it? Well, I have a free SMMA course where you can join in and learn high ticket sales in module number 2. उसके बाद का roadmap, well you apply to internships and jobs on Wellfound or LinkedIn. Starting में आपको थोड़े laborious jobs दिए जाएंगे, you know, like outreaching to people and getting appointments for the company. And जैसे आप perfect होते हो, इसके बाद आपको designation दिया जाता है junior growth consultant का, जहाँ पे you call warm leads and set appointments for other sales reps. Depending on how good you perform, you become an actual growth consultant by working with the company for 3 to 6 months. At this point, you just take sales calls and make somewhere around 4 to 6 lakhs every single month. Now, as time passes, you get better and better in closing people and in remote sales. And now you are promoted to a principal consultant of the company, where you get equity in small companies and you train other growth consultants while taking a few sales calls over here and there every single day yourself. Now, this is the point where you are earning north of 10 lakhs as a remote sales rep. Now, my advice is you should highly think on pursuing this if you love to have conversations with people. As for people like me, it's the worst full-time job क्योंकि मुझे conversations करना बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता and I am a very introverted person. The third high income skill to make you rich is the exact reason why you are watching this video till now. अब आपको पता ही है कि creator economy is booming, info product space is booming, जहाँ पे लोग attention को मोनेटाइज कर रहे हैं. अब अटेंशन मोनेटाइज करने के दो पाथ होते हैं. फर्स्ट, you have people watching your content. Second, you have data of people interested in your product or service. For first path, more people will watch your content if everything kind of flows and stops them from leaving. For second path, people will buy from your emails if the words hit their pain points and they feel relatable to your target audience. Now, to achieve either of these, businesses को कोई ऐसा expert चाहिए जो उनकी help कर पाए to monetize either of the two things that I just mentioned. And that is where you come in by gaining the skill of a retention copywriter. आप start करते हो by learning copywriting from YouTube's free courses. यहाँ से you either start doing things from yourself. For example, if you want to follow the first path, you script and make YouTube or Instagram videos for other creators, or you can script some free videos for brands to get business from them in the beginning. Remember, you have to script for either funded startups or people with large audiences and an actual business running from that audience, and not for simply creators, because 99% of these gaming YouTubers in India, they are broke. Now, for second path, you can start your free blog, write sales pages and promote that free blog through paid ads to get some initial people in, and then you can build and monetize by selling courses from there. एक alternate way भी है जहाँ पे आप copywriting jobs में apply कर सकते हो. As for me, मैं इससे professionally pursue नहीं कर पाया, but अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, then I am a good retention copywriter, क्योंकि ये वीडियो मैंने खुद ही स्क्रिप्ट की है. अब आप इनमें से जो भी करो, you will have to eventually build an agency to scale your business, because there will be a certain threshold where you'll not be able to scale, doesn't matter what you are doing. चाहे आप social media marketing agency start करो, copywriting agency start करो, या फिर high ticket sales में pursue करो. And for that, I have recorded a 4-hour free course for you to start your agency from complete scratch and scaling it to 1 to 2 lakh rupees a month. And you can access it by clicking on the link in the description, where you'll just have to enter some details and you'll be enrolled in the free course and community. Plus, if you like this video, do consider hitting the subscribe button, because I'll be publishing more such videos in the future.